In this video, you'll learn how to start with zero budget, how to land your first clients in just a few days, and how to solve real small businesses problems without paying anything. Do you know what you can do with this? Sure, you could blow it on key lime pie, but honestly, there are a lot of strategies. So you could also use it to start your own agency, or just do this. Yeah, in 2025, you don't need money to launch a digital marketing agency at all. And today, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's start with the basics. If you want to sell solutions to businesses, you need to know what they're actually struggling with. Because you're not just selling software, you're solving real pain. If you don't speak their language, you'll sound like everyone else and get ignored like everyone else. Here are 5 core problems small businesses face. Competition. Small companies fight not only each other, but massive chains. Low customer retention. Restaurants, salons, and clinics rely on return visits. Without them, the cash register stays silent. No clarity on what works. They spend on ads, social media, emails, but never know which one actually drives sales. No time for marketing. They're buried in day-to-day operations. Inconsistent revenue. Good days, bad days, and no way to fix it. And here's where you walk in and say, I solve these problems. And you offer these things. Repeat sales, a system that runs on autopilot, automatic reminders and follow-ups, analytics that tell them this promo made $5, this one made $1,000. And for all that is Boomerangme. This is our loyalty SaaS platform, built for digital marketing agencies that solve local businesses' problems. It comes with 3 plans. Business, for small business owners who want loyalty systems for their own location. Franchise, for brands managing dozens of stores with one central system. And agency. If you're an owner of a digital agency, this one's for you. You get 3 sub-accounts. Full white label branding, automation, analytics, and rich AI. Your built-in AI sales assistant. Best part, you get a 14-day free trial. That means 14 days to get clients without paying a cent. But of course, a real agency also needs solid communication tools. So you should connect Mailgun, the email powerhouse. If you haven't seen our step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Mailgun to Boomerangme, check the link in the description. It takes 10 minutes and unlocks automated email flows that work while you sleep. And then there's Twilio, the SMS king. Now, you're not sending emails. You're sending texts directly to your client's customers. Reminders, promos, birthday messages, all automated. Twilio also gives you free credits when you sign up. Once they run out, you decide if you want to scale. So now you're in the game. Mailgun ready, email campaigns, check. Twilio ready, SMS blasts, easy. Boomerangme agency plan activated. You're building sub-accounts. And in the prospecting section, Richie AI is waiting. Pick restaurants, salons, clinics, hotels, click create sub-account, and boom. You get a custom landing page with an ROI calculator and a real demo card to show your client on day 1. Want to learn how to master this process? Join our free 3-day online workshop. We'll show you step-by-step how to build your first funnel, get real leads, close clients, and automate the whole thing without a team. Links in the description. Grab your spot now. But there's one part no one talks about. You've set everything up. Boomerangme is live, Mailgun and Twilio are working. But where's the business? Where's the money? This is the moment to act. Start emailing local businesses. Reach out to restaurants, cafes, gyms, barbershops, people you can actually help. Craft your pitch. Send your emails, follow up. And now the most important part. Restaurants not replying? Sure. That happens. But it's still just a restaurant, not the Pentagon. Want them to listen? Go there. Eat there. See how things work. Start a real conversation. But your 14 days are ticking. After that, it's subscription time. So what's it going to be? Sit around complaining or move forward? Use everything. Mailgun, Twilio, Boomerangme, Richie AI. Use your feet. Use your brain. Use the rest of our videos where we break down every system and strategy to grow in 2025. Turn those $0 into $10,000 in just 2 weeks. And hey, if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. I'll see you in the next video.